Three people, including the owner of the cyber cafe, have been arrested in Kishtwar. Sources telling your channel the email was drafted and sent out at 7:30 a.m. on Wednesday. Let's go across to Pradeep Datta, who's joining us on the phone line. Pradeep, what more details do we have about all the arrests?
See, right now we have got the information that three people have been picked up, and one of them is said to be the owner of the internet cafe. There are two internet cafes, and it is believed that from one of the internet cafes that mail had emanated, which service outfit has claimed the responsibility for the yesterday's blast. And right now the National Investigation Agency officials here in Jammu and Kashmir are investigating the matter, and the meeting is right now going on in the Kishtwar district, which has been chaired by the Deputy Inspector General Manish Sinha. And also, they are questioning these three people, trying to find out what are their links with the Houthi militants and what was the reason behind sending this mail. Because we can't take this information lightly. In the past also, we have seen that this is the only place in district in Jammu province where from the Harkatul Jihadi Islami commanders had been operating. In the past, one of the Bashir Hijazi was one of the terrorist commanders who has been the mastermind of the Varanasi blast in 2007. He was killed in the Kishtwar district. He had been in touch with his mentors across the border and also with the people operating in other parts of the country. And one Sajadur Rahman is already in the custody, and he is also believed to be involved in the Varanasi blast. And that is one of the reasons that this mail yesterday where the Houthi terrorist commanders had claimed the responsibility behind this High Court blast. And the police started investigating the matter, and this mail seemed to have originated from the Kishtwar. And after that, the police just swung into action. The three people have been picked up. One internet cafe is said to be the internet cafe owner. The police is investigating the matter. They are questioning them. They are trying to find out their links, because still there is information, though many of the top commanders of the Harkatul Jihadi Islami had been eliminated in the area in recent past by the security forces. But still the overgrown network is operating in that area, and they are trying to find out that there is possibility that many of the sleeping cells and the modules of the Harkatul Jihadi Islami has been reactivated, because militants for the past so many years there had been the wireless intercepts where they were trying to just carry out some kind of an act to prove that they are very much around. They are not being dominated by the security forces, and there is every possibility that Harkatul Jihadi Islami must have carried out the act, and there are definitely some links with the Kishtwar, and that is what actually the National Investigative Agency of J&K officials, they as well as the police officials are trying to investigate. After this arrest, this is believed to be they are expecting some kind of a breakthrough in the coming hours.
Right.